Hello and welcome to the LMI Tools TCO Analyzer training video series. In this video we will learn how to add devices to your proposal using Get Meters. Let's begin by starting on the dealer homepage, which is the page you see first upon logging in to lmitools.com. As we learned in the Creating Proposals video, you'll want to go to the name of the user who created the proposal and click View Proposals. This takes you to the user's proposal list. Select the proposal you wish to add devices to and click Edit Proposal. So we're going to add them to our newly created new company. So we'll click Edit Proposal. There are three buttons to use to add devices to your proposal: the Quick Add, Manual Add, and Get Meters. In this video we will be covering Get Meters. Please see the previous video for the Quick Add and Manual Add functions. Get Meters allows you to pull actual devices and meter information from your meter read source, such as PageTrack, or from a specially formatted spreadsheet called a rack file. Keep in mind that your meter read source does need to be configured prior to getting meters. You may remember our previous video where we added a couple of devices to our proposal by using the Manual and Quick Add features. Let's add more devices using Get Meters. To get meters from your meter read source, click the Get Meters button. Select the user from the drop-down list. This matches up to the email addresses entered on the customer record in your meter read source. Select the customer site to pull meters from. So here we'll select support at lmisolutions.com and LMI Tools Demo. A listing of all devices will be displayed at the top with the corresponding meter read sources listed at the bottom. Select the devices you want included in your proposal. You may also click the Check All or Uncheck All, or select them individually. We'll go ahead and check all, and now we'll hit Go. You will now see the devices added to the device list. If one of the listed devices comes up as unsupported, you will need to manually add that device to get cost information. Once manually added, you will need to delete the unsupported printer from the proposal. We can also double-click on any one of these devices to pull up its detailed information and edit this as needed. Now let's say we need to pull from what we call a rack file. A rack file is a specially formatted Excel spreadsheet that we can use to import meters. Let's say that you do not have a meter read source, but you have more than just a few printers to add to your proposal. Doing a manual add probably wouldn't be ideal in this situation. What can be done is to import those devices and their meters into the TCO using this specially formatted rack file. For a quick tutorial on the rack file and its formatting, please see the video titled Explaining the Rack File Format. We do also have a template for the rack file available on our support site, which is at support.lmisolutions.com in the TCO FAQ section. To import a rack file, we'll again click the Get Meters button, only this time we'll select the Import Meters function. You'll see a pop-up box appear, and it will ask us to select the type of file that we're going to be uploading. We'll simply choose the file from our computer, and let's pull one up here. And we'll open that file up by clicking the Go button. Again, we'll see a list of the devices on that rack file with the corresponding meter reads down at the bottom. Again, we can check all, uncheck all, or select individual devices. We'll go ahead and check all and select Go. Now we see those 10 devices added to the bottom of our proposal. Again, we can double-click on any one of these devices to edit any of this information. This concludes the TCO training video for adding devices using get meters. Remember, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact our support line. Thank you for watching.